In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to card view on Reddit. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make browsing posts feel a lot cleaner and easier on the eyes, especially if you like seeing bigger previews and a more visual layout. First, make sure you're on the Reddit homepage or on a subreddit you want to browse. You can do this either in your web browser on a computer or in a mobile browser. The basic idea is the same. Once the page has loaded, look toward the top of the screen where the search bar is located. This is the bar you normally use to type in keywords, topics, or subreddit names. Just below that search bar, you'll see a small set of view icons. These icons are usually arranged in a row and represent different ways of displaying posts, such as compact, classic, or card-style layouts. They might look like small squares or stacked lines. The exact design can change slightly if Reddit updates its interface, but they will always be grouped near the search bar area. What you want to do is move your cursor, or tap if you're on a touchscreen, onto that set of icons. Take a moment to hover or look closely, because one of those icons will represent the card view. Typically, the card view icon looks like a rectangle or a set of larger tiles, hinting that posts will appear as bigger cards rather than thin rows. Click on the icon that represents card view. When you do this, Reddit will immediately refresh the way posts are displayed. Instead of simple text lines or very compact entries, each post will now appear as a larger card with more spacing, often showing a bigger image preview and clearer separation between posts. If you don't notice a change right away, double check that you actually clicked the icon and that your browser has fully loaded the updated layout. You may also want to briefly scroll up and down to let the new view settle in. Once card view is enabled, you can continue browsing as normal, but with a more visual, modern feel. If you ever decide you prefer another layout, you can always return to that same spot below the search bar and choose a different view icon. And that's all there is to it. By simply clicking the view icon below the search bar and choosing the card style option, you can quickly switch Reddit into card view and make your browsing experience more enjoyable and easier to